to be able to manage your anger within yourself.
Looks nice.
Yes.
Welcome to this amazing type of video for today. My name is Faith Kaimba, Faith the organizer, your #1 person in organizing and making your spaces neat and organized. And today is not about the real organizing. I'm dealing with these young people. I'm training them on how to keep their stuff organized, how to not to keep on losing their stuff, and maintaining the organized spaces that there are in their houses. So that is what you're going to be having today. You're going to see a series of events going forward. You're going to hear what the children have learned from their experiences of today. It was one step into becoming an organized version of themselves. So keep it right here. Continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Share the video to your acquaintances so that they can also get inspired. Hey, how are you?
Hi.
So you're most welcome to the event for today.
Thank you.
Yes. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Your name is Audrey. Audrey. Good girl. Do you have any allergies? You don't know? We ask mom. Okay, we'll confirm that. And then, so this is your badge. Just has your name. And then we're going to welcome you with a snack. And then we are going to start. Are you excited? You're looking forward? Okay. Actually, you need to have your notebook and a pen. Karibu sana.
Hi, my name is Kelly. I'm 15 years old. I came because my friend invited me. My expectation is that I get to learn how to be neat and organized. Yes, thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Bivlin Wanjiko. I'm 13, turning 14. My expectations for today is to learn new things, to have new friends, and the reason as to why I came here is to be more organized and have fun.
11 years old. I live in Karawales, grade 4.
She's Elena Georgia George. And we were giving sweet Cheryl, amazing Aubrey, tall Tamara, brilliant Bivali, innocent Inaya, amazing Audrey, kind Kelly, expression, how to express yourself, and confidence. If you are the one now who has hurt the other person, what are you supposed to do? Apologize. And apologizing, you don't have to apologize. That's intentional. Unless it's an accident, like you didn't want to, something came up and you realized, I should not have had that person. You go genuinely and apologize. Tell that person you're sorry. Tell that person you know that I hurt your feelings. Yeah? And I am really sincerely sorry, and it will not happen again. That includes your parents, includes your caregivers. Okay? Don't find it so hard to apologize. Apologizing makes peace and makes everybody happy. And become at peace with one another.
So we are going to learn how to do a pancake.
This is Lila's.
Each person will make the pancake, then we'll eat the pancake, and then after eating the pancake, we'll wash the dishes that we have used here. I already did the butter. This one we call it a butter. Some people call it dough, but dough is for the pizza or chapo, yeah, and the mandazis. But now this liquid one is called a butter. So I've done this. I've mixed the ingredients. Who knows the ingredients for a pancake? Okay, let's start with you. Okay.
Making, oh yeah.
This is fluffy.
Yeah, that's a difficult to try because you don't want the inside with
Yeah, uncooked. Correct. So, I mixed all that inside there. And if you like, you can also put some flavor. On this one, we put vanilla. Sometimes when I'm making mine, I put cardamom or I put cinnamon, whatever flavor you like, yeah? That's also okay. But it's done slow. That's also fine. So you can see it's spreading around. Just wait for the pan to get some heat and then you flip it. Do you know how to?
yes.
Okay.
It's like flipping an egg.
No, because I already put oil here. Yeah, because I don't want them to be oily. I already put oil in the batter. So you can start checking.
It has bubbles, that means it's cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it's cooking.
Yeah, it's cooking. So we can check if it's ready. You want me to help you?
Now you can flip.
No, you can flip it. Yeah, because it's just a non-stick pan. Yay!
Wow.
Looks nice.
Yes.
Throw inside the machine. Just throw it there. Close the door. Okay? You open it up. You don't throw it the paper. Sorry. And then you choose tab clean. Itajichoose yenyewe for the, I think it's about 30 minutes. And then it will clean the machine. That is for in. See, all these things fall there. Sawa? Yes. Zippers, nini, zinaingia hapo. When you're ironing, switch on the iron. And this one cannot burn. It's a silicone. Like make sure it's a pair. Yes.
You take the lower part of the sock and place it halfway, and then you place it. You hold the sock like this, then you pull it.
Yes. You see? It's neat. Simio. How does it look? It looks nice. So can you do it? roll, like there are those who put on the shelf. Thank you for asking that. When you're rolling, you start with the untidy parts. Okay? And then you do that, and then it's neat. It's easy reading from. You have to do it like that. Then when you're sorting, you don't put it. None you can't do it. You put the tidy parts. Sawa? Facing the same, the long sleeves, short sleeves, and sleeveless. Umeona? So even when you're looking for your clothes, if it's sleeveless, you know where to go, and you'll find. So kama hii nikifanya hivi, hii ni front, I am able to see. Sindio? What ni nguo gani? And then the other thing, like these are dresses, if you have more space, you can separate. Color coding the hangers is also good, makes your clothes neat. You can decide to do all your hangers your favorite color. You can do gray, you can do white, black, blue, whatever you feel you're good with.